Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to extract audio in Edit's Instagram app. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. So let's create a project. Click on the plus sign at the bottom, select any video and add it to the project. Now to extract audio we tap on the video track and the ribbon at the bottom of the screen changes. Now we will scroll the ribbon to the left and find the required extract audio button. We click on it and after a second the audio extraction is completed and the corresponding audio track appears above the video track. Tap on the audio track and how can we edit the extracted audio? If we drag the arrows on the left and right, we can trim unnecessary parts of the audio at the edges. Using the split button, we can split the audio track into parts and edit each one individually or delete the one we don't need. Use the volume button to edit the volume. Using the fade button, add the fade effect at the beginning or at the end. And the beats button adds beats if you have a music track. Using the replace button, it replaces the original audio track with music or audio uploaded from your device. With the delete button, everything is clear, we leave the video completely without sound. The sleep button selects a specific part of the audio that will sound in this video fragment. And with the duplicate button, we duplicate the original audio. Finally, the extracted audio track can be moved. Hold your finger on the audio until it changes color and drag it to the left or right. And if you add another video to the project, then the extracted audio can be moved to the edit video. And that's it. Now you know more.